Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a sales funnel with ClickFunnels, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up a sales funnel with ClickFunnels, first, log into your ClickFunnels account. Once logged in, click on the Build Funnel button on your dashboard. Select the type of funnel you want to create. For a basic sales funnel, choose the Sales Funnel option. Next, give your funnel a name and select your currency. Now, click on the Create Funnel button to proceed. You will be taken to a page where you can choose a template. Browse through the available templates and select the one that fits your needs. After selecting a template, click the Select Template button. You will now be in the funnel editor. In the editor, you will see different pages automatically added to your funnel. Start by editing the sales page. Click on the sales page to open the editor. In this editor, you can customize the text, images, and layout. Make sure to highlight the benefits of your product clearly. Next, move on to the order form page. Click on the order form page to enter the editor. Ensure that your order form collects all necessary customer information. You may also want to add payment options. This page confirms the customer's purchase. Here, express gratitude and provide next steps. Once all pages are customized, it's time to set up your funnel automation. Click on the Automation tab located on the top menu. You can add actions that occur after a customer completes a purchase. These can include sending confirmation emails or adding customers to a mailing list. Now, ensure that your funnel settings are configured. Click on the Settings tab in the top menu. Here, you can adjust SEO settings, domain connection, and tracking codes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.